In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a financial report in Power BI. Whether you're new to Power BI or just looking for ways to enhance your reporting skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this, you'll be able to create a comprehensive financial report that's dynamic and visually engaging. Let's begin by opening up Power BI. Once you have it up and running, the first decision you'll need to make is selecting the data source you want to use for your financial report. Power BI offers a variety of options, both local and online, so pick the one that contains your financial data. This could be anything from an Excel spreadsheet to a SQL database. Upon selecting your data source, make sure to load the data into Power BI so you can start working with it. With your data loaded, focus your attention on the right pane of your screen where you'll find the Visualizations pane. This area is crucial as it allows you to add different types of diagrams and charts to your report. Choose a diagram that suits the kind of financial data you want to represent and click on it. Instantly, an empty diagram will pop up on your canvas. One of the great aspects of Power BI is its flexibility, so you can move this diagram around the canvas and resize it until it fits your layout perfectly. Now, let's populate this diagram with your data. On the right pane, you'll also notice the Data pane, which contains all the elements of your loaded data source. Here's where the magic happens. You can easily add data to your diagram by simply dragging and dropping the relevant fields from the Data pane into your diagram. Alternatively, if drag and drop isn't your thing, you can check the boxes next to the data fields you want to include, and they will automatically be added to your selected diagram. It's incredibly intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to visualize your data exactly the way you want. As you become more comfortable with this process, feel free to add more diagrams. Each additional diagram can highlight different aspects of your financial data, creating a richer, more detailed report. Whether you're looking to display trends over time or break down financial figures into categories, each visualization adds another layer of understanding. And there you have it. You've just built a financial report in Power BI. By leveraging the capabilities of Power BI's visualizations and data functionalities, you can outline complex financial reports with ease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you now feel more confident in creating your own reports. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.